Finding the best pressure rice cooker can feel hard when every brand looks the same. The best pressure rice cooker cooks fluffy rice fast, saves time on busy weeknights, and handles brown rice, jasmine rice, and even beans with ease. I've tested many in my own kitchen, from small family dinners to big holiday meals, so I know what truly works for real homes in the USA. Let me share what I've learned so you can choose the right one with confidence. And all product links in description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Number 5. Chef IQ Smart Pressure Cooker 6 Quart. The Chef IQ Smart Pressure Cooker 6 Quart feels like a pressure cooker from the future. If you want the best pressure rice cooker with smart tech, this one stands out fast. I love the built-in scale. You can add rice or beans right into the pot, and it tells you how much liquid to use. That means less guesswork and fewer dirty cups. The Wi-Fi app control is also a big win. You can follow guided recipes step by step on your phone. It even updates itself with new features. Rice turns out fluffy, and stews taste rich and deep. The auto steam release adds peace of mind. It does cost more than basic models, and you need Wi-Fi for full features. Still, for tech lovers and busy families, it makes cooking feel simple and smart. Number 4. Cuckoo Twin Pressure Rice Cooker 10 Cup. The Cuckoo Twin Pressure Rice Cooker 10 Cup feels like a premium upgrade for serious home cooks. If you want the best pressure rice cooker for large gatherings, this one handles big batches with ease. I also see it as the best Cuckoo pressure rice cooker for families who cook rice daily. The induction heating system surrounds the pot, so rice cooks fast and very even. You can switch between high pressure and non-pressure, which helps you choose sticky or fluffy texture. The voice guide is helpful and clear, especially if you are new to advanced rice makers. It offers many menu modes, from GABA brown rice to baby food. The stainless steel inner pot feels strong and built to last. It is pricey and takes counter space, but for quality, control, and large capacity, it truly stands out. Number 3. COSORI 6 Quart Stainless Steel Pressure Cooker. The COSORI 6 Quart Stainless Steel Pressure Cooker feels modern and easy from day one. If you want the best pressure rice cooker with extra safety, this one stands out fast. I like the safer vent design. The steam releases away from your hand, which feels calm and secure. The real-time bar on the screen helps you see cooking progress at a glance. That small touch makes a big difference on busy nights. The ceramic non-stick inner pot is smooth and easy to clean. Rice comes out fluffy, and stews taste rich and deep. It also offers sous vide, which is great if you like to try new recipes at home. The 6 quart size works well for most families in the USA. It is not the cheapest option, but the build quality and safety features make it feel worth it. Number 2. COMFEE 9-in-1 Electric Pressure Cooker 6 Quart. The COMFEE 9-in-1 Electric Pressure Cooker 6 Quart is a great choice if you want the best pressure rice cooker for a small or mid-size family. I like how simple it feels right out of the box. The 6 quart size fits most weeknight dinners without taking over your counter. The 14 quick presets make cooking easy. You can tap once for beans, meat, rice, or oatmeal. It saves time when you feel tired after work. I also value the 24-hour delay timer. You can set it in the morning and come home to hot food. That helps a lot on busy days. The non-stick pot cleans up fast, which is a win. It may not feel as heavy as high-end models, but it cooks evenly and safely. For the price, it gives solid value and real daily comfort. Number 1. Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 Electric Pressure Cooker 8 Quart. The Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 Electric Pressure Cooker 8 Quart is one of the most reliable picks if you want the best pressure rice cooker for a busy family kitchen. I also consider it a best stainless pressure cooker because the 18/8 stainless steel inner pot feels solid and cooks evenly without odd smells. The large 8 quart capacity is perfect for big batches of rice, chili, or shredded chicken tacos for game night. I really like the 13 smart programs. They take the guesswork out of dinner and help new cooks feel confident. The easy release switch makes steam release simple and less stressful. It cooks up to 70% faster than slow methods, which helps a lot on busy weeknights in the USA. Cleanup is easy since the lid and pot are dishwasher safe. It is a bit heavy and needs counter space, but the speed and flexibility make it worth it. Final verdict. After testing all these options, I personally recommend the Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 Electric Pressure Cooker 8-quart as the best overall product. It delivers fast, reliable results, a large family-friendly size, and smart cooking programs that make weeknight meals a breeze. If you're looking for a budget-friendly alternative, the COMFEE 9-in-1 Electric Pressure Cooker 6-quart is a great pick. It still offers versatile cooking functions and solid performance without stretching your budget. Both of these pressure cookers make daily cooking easier in different ways, so choose based on your needs. Check the description link for current prices and more details, and pick the rice cooker that fits your style and needs best.